Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, ring the bell. That would be fantastic. It all helps my channel just a little bit. It helps just a little bit, and I appreciate it. I appreciate you being here today. Today we have a palette and mystery box from Lethal Cosmetics, all the way from Deutschland, über allen. That's German for Germany. Lethal Cosmetics is in Berlin. And there's a mystery box and a palette. I ordered both things a while back, and they are finally here. It says, Lethal Cosmetics, share your unboxing on Instagram and win a £10 voucher or a €10 voucher. And it still thanks me for my purchase. So this is what I think is the mystery bag. Let's get to that second. Let's do the palette first. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous palette. It is the Evergreen Pressed Powder palette. And with these little dots, that means you can pop the colors out and put them in another magnetic palette. Ah, so beautiful. There will definitely be a look coming up with this palette. Look how beautiful that is. Super shimmery. Some duochrome madness. It says the greatest tree was once a seed who held its ground. Very cool. I'll do a full in-depth expose of this palette very soon. And then it said it was a big mystery bag. This is a very small mystery bag. And of course it's got a little makeup bag that says Lethal Cosmetics, which is plastic. I already have this. It's the Berlin 89 palette, which is beautiful. It was like a $33 mystery bundle. And it's a beautiful palette. I really should play with it again. I haven't played with it since I got it. But it's gorgeous. This will be definitely going to a friend or in a giveaway. Well, it's nice that you got a palette. That's really cool. And that looks like an eyeshadow shade. Oh, two. And I got doesn't say the name. Oh, it does. It says nope. But I've got this color, which is a really pretty yellow, and a pretty purple, purpley pink. So two loose eyeshadows, some stickers that glow in the dark, very cute. We have a liquid lip. That's weird. It didn't have a bottom to the box. And this is in Latitude. And it's a very beautiful color. That'll look great. It would look great with this look right here. So that's cool. And an eye looks like I have to put my glasses on. I'm having trouble reading this. It's Side Effects Gel Liner. Let's see what color gel liner we got. Ooh, it's like a mint green. I will never use that. Well, for 33 bucks, it's pretty good. We got a gel liner. We got 2 loose eyeshadows. We got a lipstick. We got a really nice palette. I just happen to be such a huge Lethal fan that I've got a lot of their palettes. And some stickers. So not too shabby for $33. I'll say that that is a good mystery box. And that is it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon. Bye.